Hello everyone, welcome to the training videos of Yajamani POS system. In this video, we will see how to add a draft. Okay, so for that, first of all, you have to log in with your credentials and then go to home screen and then go to cell and then go to list drafts. So here you can see all the list of the drafts that are made at a particular business location. Okay, so in order to add a draft, so here go and click on add draft, and now here you have to give the necessary details. Okay, so first thing first, you have to select the appropriate location. Okay, so all in one, and here you have to mention the whether it is a retail sale or wholesale or the default selling price. So for now it will be default selling price, and here you have to mention the customer name. Let me say it as Rani Devi. Okay, and then here the pay term will be 10 days and the invoice scheme will be default. Okay, and if you have any invoice number you can add it, or else keep it blank. The Yajamani POS will auto generate it. Okay, and the here you can attach any documents that are necessary. Okay, and here you can add a product by entering its name, product name or SKU, or you can scan the barcode. Okay, and if the product is new one, you can add it by clicking on this plus icon. Okay, so you can add the product from here also. And now for now I am choosing two mobiles. Let me say it as iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, and here let me say it as a discount as a percentage. It will be 10% discount. Okay, and reward point, available reward points are 1000. So let us assume that the customer will be redeeming his reward points. Okay, and here the order tax will be at 5%. Okay, and here if you want you can add a shipping details here also. Okay, and now you will get a draft. Okay, the total pay after all the deductions and the order tax addition, you can see it here as a total payable amount as 1,64,988 rupees. Okay, then simply save. You can also take a print also. Okay, now see, go to list drafts. Here you can see with a reference number Ms. Rani Devi, contact number, location and the total items, and added by Aditya V. So and here if you want to take actions, you can take actions here also, like you can view the entire draft, like how many products they have been added in this draft. Okay, so you can directly print a packing slip or print a invoice also. Okay, and then you can edit this also and you can print, and you can convert this pro forma into invoice, like you can convert the whole pro forma into the billing invoice, and if you want you can delete this also. Okay, so this is how you can add a draft of all the available products according to the business needs or the customer needs at your particular business location. So that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.